Hi, this is Carlos Cousins, and the following is an SAT coordinate geometry question that is asking for which point would lie in a circle. Whereas you usually need the formula for a circle for this sort of problem, you don't actually here, and this is because they're telling you that it's a coordinate plane. They're giving you all of the points that you need to know in order to solve this problem. What I strongly recommend you do for all of these before you try doing anything else is that you draw a picture, and as you'll see, this actually ends up being really helpful for this problem. So I'm going to go ahead and say this here is my y-axis and this is my x-axis, and I'm going to try to draw a picture that graphs where the circle would be on the xy coordinate plane. So we've got points 3, 1, and 6, 4 lie on a circle. The center is 6, 1. So let's figure out where the center would be first. So I'm just going to say this here is 2, 4, 6, and then this on the y-axis 2, 4, 6, and what we end up having then would be that 6, 1 right over here would be the center of the circle. Of course, the given points 3, 1 are there, so okay, that would be 2, 3, 1 over here, and point 6, 4 would be there as well. So that would be 2, 4, 6, 4 over here are also in the circle. And what you see is each of these is actually 3 points away from the center. Or I guess considering the y values first, what you end up having is from 6, 4 to 6, 1, a difference in y value of 3, where 4 minus 1 gives you 3. And if we consider the one over here where the x value is different by 3, you have 0.31 versus 0.61, where the difference is also 3. So that the radius of the circle would have to be 3. So any point anywhere on the circle is going to have to be 3 away from the center of the circle. So knowing that now, let's just figure out which of these answer choices is located 3 away from the center of the circle. So the first thing to consider here is 6, negative 2. So this is still at 6 over here, but instead of being at 1, it's at negative 2, which happens to be 3x values underneath, actually. So from 1 to 0, that's 1. From 0 to negative 1, that's 1. And from negative 1 to negative 2, that's 3. So that happens to conserve the radius of 3 that we have for this entire circle. So this would have to be the right answer. So the answer choice is A. I hope that helped with this problem, and happy prepping.